Hello everybody. So today we are in a field, as you can see. This is the best place we can put this. It's a 1971 RT Challenger with a 383 and a manual transmission. And this car was featured in the biggest YouTube channel in Hungary about a year ago, and the video was about 1 hour long. And he started from Adam and Eve and all that, the history of Challengers. I will not do that. If you're watching this, you probably know what this is. When I was watching the video, I was thinking, really, an RT in my home country? I have to check this out. So I contacted the owner and he said, yeah, come on out and you can check it out. And of course I started validating everything I could, and this is really an RT. It got the JS VIN number. I checked all the hidden VIN numbers, you know, on the cowl is present and it's correct. On the radiator support, it's all there. Only one thing is, I guess it's a personal taste kind of thing. This lip, but the car of course is from the US and the previous owner liked this, so nothing wrong with it. Here's the gills is present. It's a 71 feature, and it's actually a rare car because 383 with a 4-speed manual, they only made about 400 of them, and the 71 is the model year everybody wants to get. Let's have a looky. So the only thing is missing, so to speak, that there is no fender tag. So we cannot verify the color, the 4 speeds and all that important stuff. But actually, who cares, right? It's a 71 Challenger. You don't see these cars often in this country. Here is the 383 with some goodies on it. Airbook performer intake manifold, nice headers, and it sounds insane, this car. This car does not have any Hungarian paperwork yet, so it's just imported about 2 years ago. So we cannot take it out for a public highway. Might be able to do some rolling shots, I don't know yet. So let's have a look at the interior. As you can see, here's the 4-speed Hertz manual, as you should have, the 3 pedals, and it's a very nice interior. Even the wing is correct. All the stickers, everything is correct. All the RTs get black ones, right? So it's all good. So that's it from me today, from the fields. And see you next time, everyone.